what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a S20 Ultra. In this phone, the back isn't broken, so we're going to try to remove the back without breaking it. What we're going to want to do is heat the back so that we can remove the back adhesive. Just start by trying to pry around the edge here. I have this thing called magic glass tool. It's actually just a thin piece of metal, like really thin. So what we're going to want to do is start by getting it in there just a little bit. Not going too deep with it because you don't want to damage anything. Once you get it started, you can kind of come in and stick your plastic in there. Kind of roll it around. So we got this side freed up. I feel like the top might be free now. That bottom is free. Remember, never touch any of those cameras, because if you do, you will permanently damage them and you'll have to replace the camera itself to fix it. All right, so after looking at this adhesive, it's not actually any good, so we're gonna have to replace it. All right, so once you have the glue removed, or if it's a new one and it didn't come with glue, you're gonna have to put new adhesive on there. So I have some cell phone tape here. This one's just a little bit more narrow. And also, I'm going to put a little adhesive on the corners to try to help make it a little more water resistant, because anytime you do one of these backs like this and you have to change it out, you got to realize that it's not going to be waterproof anymore, or water resistant is the word we're looking for. So we put that tape down. Make sure if you're just changing the back, you got to make sure that all this edge is super clean, to where like you can rub your finger on it and not have to worry about glass or anything. And then you're going to want to pull off your tape. If it came with pre-installed, sometimes the pre-installed isn't that good, so you might even want to add a little bit extra. And then since I'm using not the right one, I'm going to put a little dab of this adhesive in the corners, and it'll spread it out, and it should take up the difference. So put that on there, like so. So there's with it all cleaned up, it looks good. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and until next time, later.